Hi everyone, I'm John. Today, I'm going to tell you about a new mining bot. MyBitHash is a unique Telegram mining bot that allows users to earn cryptocurrency without the need for expensive hardware or complicated settings. With MyBitHash, you can easily start your journey into the world of cryptocurrencies in just a few clicks. Just add the bot to your Telegram, select the desired cryptocurrency and algorithm, and it will start working for you. The interface of MyBitHash is simple and straightforward, making it accessible even for beginners. You will be able to track your progress in real time, receive notifications about the status of mining and your earnings. The bot supports various algorithms and cryptocurrencies, which allows you to choose the most suitable options. In addition, active users can participate in various promotions and receive bonuses, which significantly increases their potential earnings. MyBitHash also provides an opportunity to communicate with other community members, which creates additional motivation and promotes the exchange of experience. Join MyBitHash on Telegram and start earning on cryptocurrency today. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.